And cat hair, of course. Only joking, I hope.
And the mushrooms and the ready.
Oh, look great. And Lunette, Romaine. She's going to be serving both chicken and salmon Thai curries with potato and rice.
Chicken curry from a pescatarian? Now that is going to be interesting.
I would probably not put potatoes with rice. However, that's maybe just a personal choice.
Meanwhile, Jolene chops garlic, green and red chilies, and adds ginger and coconut milk. Before squeezing in red and green Thai curry pastes. While everything simmers, she slips into something a little less hillbilly.
You'll come back now, you.
And finally defurs the house.
Dog hair, cats laugh.
First to the door is retired Lothario Patrick.
Right, okay, puppies.